Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to get Chase Sapphire Preferred. So first of all you have to do is Google Chase Sapphire Preferred and click on the link which is on the top. Once the link has been opened, you will see this page of Chase website. So if you already have an account, you have to click sign in to apply faster. If you are new to Chase account, all you have to do is click on apply as guest. A new tab will open and you'll see this page. It will ask you for your personal information like your first name, your last name, identification, date of birth, mother's maiden name, your SSN or social security number, your home address, your contact information, and you have to fill all of the information from here. Once you're done, all you have to do is check on this I've read and agree to the above and click on submit. Now Chase will review your application. Once you're approved, then you will instantly get Chase Sapphire Preferred, and that's how you can get Chase Sapphire Preferred. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.